video doesn't show for safety issue, here's what you're gonna do. Settings. This is 2010 Subaru Legacy. Customer purchased an Android radio. He tried to put it in himself. He got everything lit up, but it says no radio sound. Everything seems to be working, but no audio. Let's find out what it is. So it's got partially put this in. I'm gonna take this out. Alright, so let's see what he did. This one is for the back account, I think. Does he have a factory radio in here? That looks like it goes in there, no?
No.
Doesn't fit?
No.
Must have another one then. There should be two plugs. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna reinstall factory radio back in place. Make sure the factory radio works. This way we can eliminate one possibility. That works. Alright, so let's see. This one has to be audio. This is audio. So without that one plugged in, it's not going to work. So he has to have this adapter.
Try la Tesla y me. Oh my God.
I'm going to try to see which one is the amp turn on wire. Gotta get a test light with a radio plug in, factory radio plug in, radio turned on. One of them has to show 12 volt with the radio turned on. Let's see. Oh my God. 24 pin plug. There is a pink wire that is amp turn on. So that needs to be powered up. You can see there's audio. Most Android radios do supply these plugs, but this radio didn't come with it. So you have to manually hardwire to this harness here. That goes to blue wire from Android radio, either blue or blue-white. That is amp turn on. So since this one only has blue wire, it's labeled as amp on. That's gonna be connected to that pink wire.
Okay, alright, I'm on my way.
Alright, bye-bye.
Wood. No, I know this.
We did connect the blue wire amp turn on lead to the pink wire on 24 pin number 23. We also took care of the backup cam as well. So we also made a control work. What does that mean? Alright, so if video doesn't show for safety issue, here's what you're gonna do. So to settings.
Our settings.
And from here,
Brake protection.
this one,
Yes.
uncheck this.
Handbrake.
This is a handbrake. I can't read Spanish, but he said this is a handbrake. you had this one checked, no video. So uncheck that, then you get the video.